2023.
Today we will learn something new words about famous. We have various types of words like first one is prominent. Hindi meaning of prominent is prakhyat. The second word is eminent and the third word is popular. The fourth word is well known. The fifth word is reputable. These all words mean by famous. These are something next level words. You can use these words instead of famous.
Okay, so these are the 5 synonyms of famous, that is prominent, eminent, popular, well known, reputable. Please use these words instead of famous. If you want to be proficient in English, so stay tuned with this channel. Thank you.